All right, here's a quick tip I have for filling in little holes. These are actually spot welds that were drilled out to separate this tailgate out in two pieces so I could fix all the dents and the minor dings and things in it. The trick is it's really hard to get these holes filled just blobbing up a bunch of weld or cutting a circle out of, you know, random sheet metal. So get yourself one of these Harbor Freight punch and die sets, and you can punch holes in 18 gauge sheet metal, which gives you small little patch circles. And the trick here is a little different than you're maybe expecting. I used a 1/2 inch punch to create this patch, and I drilled a 1/2 inch hole in my sheet metal. And if you look very closely, the patch doesn't quite fit all the way in there, so it needs to be drilled out just a little bit. Wall her out with that, and you can get it to where it's just barely not going in, and you get a punch and a dolly. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze that patch into the hole so that there is no gap at all between the two pieces of metal, and it makes it really easy to fusion weld. It also lines up the edges, the material perfectly. Look how fast the fusion weld held. I didn't have to hardly fuss around with it at all. And there we go. So I'm going to fill all the rest of these holes, weld up the tailgate back together, and put it back on the truck in a future video. Subscribe for that.